Okay. Hello, this is my data analysis for self-care prioritization for the two classes, Psych 208 and Psych 507. So first, I made a chart of all the participants from both classes. First is the graduate students. There were 11 of them. And then I did the undergraduate students, and there was 10 of them. So I took each of the questions from my self-report survey and I took everyone's answers to each question, compiled them, and I ended up making another chart on side of it, which was the average of all of these scores broken down. So, like for example, for the first participant, you put 4, 3, 5, 4, 4, and 3. So I took all the scores and divided it by 6, and I got an average of 3.8. So I did this for each one of the 21 students. Next, I broke it down and I looked at the standard error of the mean, for example. I looked at the standard deviation, which was 0.64 for the undergraduate students and 0.34. I looked at the number of participants in each class, which was 10 and 11. We have the mean. And next, I went to my data analysis and I went to the t-test 2-sample, assuming equal variance. And I found the mean for each of them, the variance, which is like 0.4165, for example. I looked at the degrees of freedom, which was 19. There was the t-stat, which was 0.118. We had the t-critical 1 tail, which was 1.79, the 2 tail, which was 0.9, and the t-critical 2 tail, which was 2.09. And from the results, it was shown that there was not a significant difference between the two classes because the p-value was less. I mean, the p-value was higher than 0.05. And then I went on to create my graph, which was the error bars graph. And it showed me, I compiled the mean and the standard error of mean for the two classes for the graph. And once I compiled that, I saw that the undergraduate class had a higher self-care prioritization than the graduate class. Undergraduate had 3.79 for the mean, and graduate fell right under at 3.76. So it was not that much of it was like a slight difference between the two. And the error bars indicate, like you can see the difference for both of the two bars in the graphs. So yeah, this is my data analysis of prioritizing self-care in college students. Thank you.